Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into the world of Facebook digital marketing.
In this video, we will guide you through the steps to successfully utilize Facebook as a powerful tool for promoting your business.
So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the importance of Facebook digital marketing. Before we jump into the strategies, let's take a moment to understand why Facebook marketing is so crucial in today's digital landscape.
Facebook is the largest social media platform, with billions of active users worldwide.
Therefore, your business has an unparalleled opportunity to reach a massive audience. By leveraging Facebook's advertising features and analytics,
you can precisely target your ads to specific demographics, increasing the chances of conversion.
Section 2. Setting up your Facebook business page. Now that we recognize the potential of Facebook marketing, let's create your business page.
First, sign into your personal Facebook account or create a new one if you don't have one already.
Then, navigate to the Create option in your account settings and select Page. Follow the prompts to set up your business page by providing accurate and engaging information about your brand. Section 3. Designing an eye-catching Facebook business page. Your Facebook page's appearance plays a vital role in attracting and retaining followers. Begin by selecting a professional cover photo that represents your brand's essence.
Ensure it is visually appealing and aligned with your business goals. Then, choose a captivating profile picture, such as your logo, to reinforce brand recognition.
Lastly, craft an enticing About section that showcases your unique selling points and encourages visitors to engage. Section 4. Crafting engaging and shareable content.
Now, let's talk about content creation. Content is king, and on Facebook, it should be entertaining, informative, and shareable.
Experiment with a variety of formats, such as images, videos, and even polls, to keep your audience engaged. Maintain a consistent posting schedule and encourage comments, likes, and shares.
Remember, the more interaction your posts receive, the more exposure your business will gain.